Hello guys, welcome back my another video. So today topic is how to create thumbnail, how to make thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so guys, let's start the video. Do not waste your time. So today topic is how to make YouTube thumbnail. Okay, then Pixel Lab. Create a Pixel Lab. Open your app Pixel Lab. Okay, Pixel Lab open. Simple guys, step by step. Please follow me. Open. Then right up corner box. Okay, click. Sorry, left side corner box. Text delete. Okay, delete it. Okay, then click right up corner three dot. Okay, right up corner three dot. Click here. Then click and select your image size. Click image size. Okay, first step image. Then click custom. Okay, custom and select it. Selected YouTube thumbnail. First step. Okay, first step YouTube thumbnail. Select it. Then okay. Okay, first step complete. So guys, make how to make YouTube thumbnail. So guys, click here. Click here. Background change. Color option. Click here. Click color. Then color and grant it. Click here color. Then white color. Okay, white color. Then right, white color, select it. Then right. Okay, so guys, click here text A. Okay, step by step, please follow me guys. Then select it text. Okay, tab 2. Okay, then enter your thumbnail name. Okay, so guys, how to make YouTube channel. Okay, how to make YouTube. Then product pons. Okay, how to make step. Then click here and lock it. Okay, and lock symbol. Okay, then complete process. Okay, click your third option and import your photo, thumbnail photo. Okay, selected your photo. Selected my photo. Okay, selected my photo. Then select open. Okay, open photo. Open and right, left side right. Okay, right. Adjust your photo. Then click here border. Okay, scroll. Stock, first step stock. Okay, stock shadow. Okay, complete. Color white color. Then scope shadow. Add the shadow on photo must Kamal. Okay, right. Then lock it photo. Lock. Okay, lock. Open lock. How to make. Okay, color option. Color text color black. Okay, black color. Black, select it and right. Then font, select font. Choose your font. What is your choice font? Okay, my choice font is the best. Yeah. Okay, how to make perfect. Then lock it and then text. How to make YouTube thumbnail. YouTube channel. Okay, 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 adjust it and color change, red color. Okay, red color, selected red color. Right, then font, change the font. Select it. Okay, adjust size, fast, Kamal, nice, and locate. So how to make YouTube channel and YouTube logo? Click here, three option, import, then click import. Okay, YouTube logo, no, download YouTube logo and adjust your logo. Okay, scope, shadow on, lock it and copy, adjust, must, nice. So guys, complete my thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail complete. Okay, right. So guys, please वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल सब्सक्राइब गाइस, प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल सब्सक्राइब गाइस प्लीज. So guys, thank you for watching.